Hi everyone, just want to show you this ZENIT B camera that I have. This is the front. This is one side. This is the other side. This is the top. And this is the bottom. And this is the back. Alright. There's no light meter that I can see on this unit, so I think it's just a manual camera. So just show you guys the inside. This is the inside. Alright. So we're gonna wind up the film and shoot. And wind up the shutter and start to shoot the fire mechanism. Is 500, now it's 250. Okay. Then 125. 60 shutter. I'm not sure if this is normal, but I need to just press and release if I want to use the 60 shutter. If I press and hold, then it will hold. I'm not sure if this is normal. Okay. Let's do 30. Same thing. 30 shutter is the same. And let's do bulb mode. Bulb mode also is the same. So I think there's some sort of defect with the shutter mechanism. But yeah, alright. Sorry guys. Ayo. Okay, how to close? Okay. Put in and lock. Okay, alright. So if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And see you guys next time. Bye, God bless.